How do neutrinos move? Electrons are charged particles, so they can be moved by electromagnetic fields. Neutrinos are neutral particles, so they are not affected by electromagnetic fields. Therefore, it is difficult to directly move neutrinos with an electric field. Neutrinos primarily move through their own mass and through neutral current interactions with other particles. Neutrinos have mass, so they are affected by gravity. Additionally, neutrinos can interact with nuclei and other particles through neutral current interactions, which can cause them to move or react. Neutrinos are also affected by the weak force, which is one of the four fundamental forces of nature, along with electromagnetism, the strong force, and gravity. The weak force is very weak, but neutrinos can still be affected by it because they are neutral particles. Neutrinos are studied in a variety of environments, including dense celestial objects such as neutron stars in nuclear physics experiments. The properties and behavior of neutrinos play an important role in scientific research. Detailed explanation of neutrino motion. Neutrinos move through space because they have mass. Neutrinos are affected by gravity from all matter in the universe. Therefore, neutrinos can freely travel through space. Neutrinos interact with nuclei and other particles through neutral current interactions. Neutral current interactions are a different type of interaction than electromagnetism. Neutral current interactions are very weak, but neutrinos can still be affected by them because they are neutral particles. When neutrinos interact with nuclei, the structure of the nucleus can change. Additionally, when neutrinos interact with other particles, new particles can be created. Neutrinos are also affected by the weak force. The weak force is one of the four fundamental forces of nature, along with electromagnetism, the strong force, and gravity. The weak force is very weak, but neutrinos can still be affected by it because they are neutral particles. When neutrinos are affected by the weak force, the type of neutrino can change. There are three types of neutrinos, and they can convert into each other. Neutrino oscillation is caused by the weak force. The importance of neutrino motion in scientific research. Because neutrinos interact with all matter in the universe, studying neutrinos can give us information about the origin and evolution of the universe. Additionally, neutrinos can help us study dark matter and other unknown matter. Neutrinos also play an important role in nuclear physics research. Neutrinos can be used to study the structure and properties of nuclei. Additionally, neutrinos can help us discover new particles. There are still many aspects of neutrino motion that are not fully understood. By studying neutrino motion in more detail, we can further our understanding of the universe and dark matter. Additional details. The energy of the neutrinos can be varied to study different aspects of their interactions. The interaction can occur in a variety of ways, depending on the energy and angle of the particles. The products of the interaction can be detected using a variety of methods, including particle detectors and imaging techniques. Neutrino motion is a powerful tool for studying the fundamental particles and forces of the universe. By studying neutrinos, we can learn about the properties of neutrinos, the origin and evolution of the universe, and the nature of dark matter.